In the previous video, I've mentioned that I will be reviewing ORCA Ebike, although the stocks have arrived. However, they have yet to go through LTA sealing. So, in this video, I give Venom 2 Plus a test ride as I've just gotten the night before filming this video. And truly, it's been a while since I've attempted to get orders after 2:30 PM at Tampines. So let's find out how the Venom 2 Plus rides and if we are able to get any orders. And let's give Venom 2 Plus for a spin! What is up, fellow riders? And right in front of us we have our Venom 2 Plus. And I literally just got it yesterday. So by the way, today's video is not really going to be a review video, more of like a first impression and also finding out, testing it out on how it rides, how it feels while doing food delivery. And also for some of you that do not know what are the functions, I also just found it out yesterday, but I'm just gonna share with you guys what I know as of now. Okay, so to power on, there's this button on the right side. That's how you power on and power off. Alright, and for the gear settings, there are 3 gears. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's how it's set the gear. And there's a horn over here. The horn is pretty loud. So that's how you do it. Okay, for the lights, we're gonna press and hold the mode button in order to activate the front lights and the back lights as well. Now it's daytime, it's super sunny. Obviously you guys are probably not able to see the front light or the rear light, even cannot see, because yesterday night, I just got this yesterday night. I took a look at the rear light. I tried to on it. I'm like, oh, might as well don't put a rear light. But anyway, I'll leave that comment for later on. Alright, and handlebar. That's how to fold the handlebar. Okay, there's a quick release. There we go. And it folds easily. Oh, I hope nothing's broken. Same thing for the seat, quick release seat. Not gonna adjust because I already adjusted the height. Okay, and the charging port would be on this area. Charging port is near where the pedal is at. Alright, it's on the left side. This is the battery. The battery is detachable. Insert the key to remove the battery. Yeah, that's pretty much the basic functions of Venom 2 Plus. And of course, Venom 2 Plus, it doesn't come with a rack. So I installed this quick release rack by myself. Use the metal racking to put my MFC Million Factory Clubs Magneto bag. Once again, very cool bag. Reason why I did not use a Grab's bag today is because it's just stuck to my Zebra already lah. So you'll be a hassle to put it onto the e-bike, and then I have to remove again. And then over here, this is my setup. Also MFC, it's called the Flash 4 mount. I'm trying this out because I've not tried this out yet. I'm trying this out because it's pretty cool. How it works is that you put your phone and it just locks by itself. To open it, it's all using one hand. So I thought it's pretty cool. I just gave this a try. They also do have 2 other phone mounts, which is the Batman. Batman, I think, is the most secure one, I believe, but then the only way to slot in your phone is you have to pull this. So I don't know about this e-bike Venom 2 Plus, because let's say if I were to mount it over here on the handlebar and I pull it, the whole e-bike will probably move forward lah. I tried it on my Zebra, like it will move forward lah, because my rear isn't heavy enough for my Zebra. So anyway, I'm not going to risk it, I'm not going to use it, but I believe this would be the most secure lah. If for motorbike riders, I think it should be good lah, because this is really like secure. It has 8 legs compared to the ordinary traditional 4 legs. These are adjustable. There's screws at the back. These are adjustable. Again, if you guys want to purchase this phone mount, link in the description below. And also you also have your traditional X grip phone mount lah. This is really common. I'm not gonna go into a lot of details for this. Alright, I've been online since the start of the video. Don't seem to have any orders. See, very cool. I think it's very cool. Let's move to Central and see if you're able to get any orders or not. Yeah, again, I'm gonna make a second part 2 of Venom 2 Plus. There will be a proper review. So if you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments below, and I would try to touch into that, try to answer your questions. Another thing while riding back, another thing I realized for Venom 2 Plus is the brake. That this brake is very unique though. It almost looks like motorbike brake, but I know it isn't, because the quality is like, it looks and sounds pretty solid even. So yeah, that's about it for the Venom 2 Plus, using CST tires, same as G-Move. G-Move is also using CST tires, which has a really nice riding experience, very smooth ride, very quiet ride. That was my experience while riding back home yesterday lah. Alright, as of now, let's head to Central and see if we are able to get any orders. Time right now, after lunchtime lah now. 2:30, 2:28 right now to be exact. Alright, so I actually have circle 1 round already. It's a full round. I started here, I go around Tampines 1, Century Square, Tampines Mall. Still no orders. Probably it's because it's been a while since I did GrabFood. Second reason, obviously, time right now it's after lunchtime, so there are no orders. But just to share with you my experience, my riding experience for the past couple of minutes. Very silent ride. What else? The brakes, they are not squeaky. Probably it's because it's new, not too sure. Perhaps after a few days to a week of testing it out, probably in my next video I'll do a follow-up on how the brakes are. Oh, starting to get squeaky a little bit. Starting to get squeaky a little bit. Okay, now it's still early to say lah. Still early to say. Not super squeaky. There's sound for sure lah. But still early to say. Yeah, just overall a very smooth and quiet riding experience lah. The chain also, like there's no. You see, when I'm actually, what I'm doing is I'm reversing the pedal backwards, and there's no. It's not like eco drive. There's a sound. When you stop pedaling, there's like a sound of the chain. Yeah, just smooth riding experience lah. So far so good. So far so good. Are we able to turn right? Yeah, let's turn right to Tampines Hub. Okay, and my phone mount, I'm not sure what's going on to my phone mount. I think it's because I removed a screw, a connector, so it keeps coming down a little bit when I bump into humps. It slides down a little bit, so I have to keep on adjusting it. Okay, another thing I would like to comment is the pickup. Picks up pretty fast, and as well as the seat. when going through humps, the seat is, because the seat has a pretty great rear suspension. There are some seats that have like springs, but they're just springs for sure, for show. This has a suspension, kind of like a suspension for the seat, so makes the riding experience better. Alright, and now back to where I first started my video. It's been close to 30 minutes and there's still no orders lah, so I decided to give up, unless right now, anytime right now there's an order lah. But anyway, as I mentioned, this video it's more of a first impression test ride lah, test ride, and to also show the basic functionalities of the Venom 2 Plus. Okay, as you guys know that I kind of like e-bikes with slightly bigger tires because they are able to go down slope faster and you are more visible on the road. There's more control, in my opinion lah. So in the past, I actually asked like food delivery riders, you know, why they chose Venom 2 Plus, and they mentioned that, you know, it's for the appearance. I have to agree that the appearance is not bad looking. Like, it's very metallic color. It comes with the other color also, by the way, orange color. And not to mention, like, the chain. Usually the chain is black, but this is like silver. Are you kidding me? Hey, let's bring this out to the sun. It's one of the rare e-bikes with silver color chain. See, usually it's black. Yeah, that's why I think riders are sold into this e-bike. Yeah, it's a very nice looking e-bike, to be frank. And earlier on I also mentioned the suspension of the seat. I think, is this the suspension? No, this is not the suspension. Suspension is underneath. Like, at least it's a working suspension, not just a spring seat. Like when I push it down like that, it doesn't work. I don't know, for some reason. I don't know how this suspension works, but it just works. Like, you can feel that there's suspension on the seat. It's not like a spring seated. It's not like a spring seat just for show. There's really suspension on this. What else have I not covered? Okay, if you guys also want to find out about the, let's push into the shade so you guys can see. If you guys also want to find out about the battery indicator, there's 5 battery bars lah. Are we able to press to view the voltmeter? No, we are not able to view like how many volts they are on the, is it left on the e-bike. It's all battery bars, so 5 battery bars. So this concludes my first impression / test ride of Venom 2 Plus. Nice metallic color throughout, especially the chain. Smooth riding thanks to its CST tires, as well as the seat suspension. And by the way, if you would like to purchase the Venom 2 Plus, contact me on Carousell, as I'll be able to hook you up with a good price along with some freebies. Other than GrabFood vlogging and delivery hacks, from time to time I do reviews as well. Why don't you share with me on something that you'd like me to review next, and you should watch the other vehicles that I've reviewed on the top right, or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!